I'm not gonna lie. This choker from like the 90s give me like goth vibes. Like I work in Hot Topic kind of thing, which is ironic because today I did shop at Hot Topic. But I wasn't wearing this outfit earlier. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kim and I like to post stuff that fancies your creative side. And if you don't know this about me, I do own a little creative business I do on the side. It is called Blushing Boba Studio. Welcome to my studio. And today we will be unboxing a new equipment piece that would be a great asset to my studio. All right, I got a brand new paper cutter, and let me show you the old one so you can see why I need a new one. Okay, excuse the mess. So this, let's turn on some light. All right, so this is my old paper cutter. Oh, sneak peek. If you haven't seen this already, I'm creating a notepad. That is so cute, I love it. Anyways, all right, back to this. So this is from my dad's store. My dad used to own an Asian market, and this is what he used to cut the labels. So I've kept it. I believe he got his store in the late 80s. So this is older than me, and it's a great paper cutter, but first of all, it's dulling out a little bit. It really is. And I tried the aluminum foil thing, but when I cut, sometimes there's still a little bit of like raw edges, and it's, guys, it's older than me, like I said, so, and it doesn't have anything to keep it straight, so I would keep it straight myself. So it did its job, and it's good to have a spare, but in this box, I got a brand new one, so let's get to unboxing it. Hey guys! I shouldn't be waving around with scissors in my hand. Hey guys, so we're on the floor now to unbox this thing because I feel like I'll need all the space. Time to open this bad boy. Let's get to it. Ooh, okay. Am I opening it the right way up? Oh, okay. No tape. Cool. Oh my gosh, guys. There's a box within the box. The first instruction's actually German. Okay, UK and US. Here, English. Warning, please take out this guillotine by grasping it at the recessed grips only in order to avoid injuries. Recessed grips. Sure. Okay, let's see what they mean. Okay, so there's a diagram here. I am turning this around so you guys can see it because you guys are already set on a tripod, and I'm a little lazy right now. I don't feel like taking you guys back out just to put you back in. All right, I guess I'll have to. Yeah! All right, took you guys off the tripod real quick to show you the instructions. And this is what the diagram says. So just don't grab it from the sides, grab it from the top and bottom. Okay. Recessed grips. I guess I'll see how that looks. I'm gonna cut this now. Let me put you back on a tripod. All right, we're back on. Okay, so I showed you a glimpse of the instructions. Let's keep opening. Ooh. Ah. Okay, I don't know why that took all my hand. Wow. Okay, okay, you guys can't see that. Hold on. Maybe if I open sideways. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this whole thing was housing this right here. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. This is why I needed it to be on the floor, because I just needed the space. So let's see, we got some extra cardboard. That's great, actually. Okay, cool. I don't It's like one of those moments, tell me you're a crafter without telling me you're a crafter. I'll go first. I hoard random packaging or trash in hopes to use it in a future craft. This is what I'm gonna use. I don't know. There's something about this I might end up using it for something, I'm sure. Recycling is important. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Am I doing something wrong? Am I supposed to take it out of the cardboard stuff first? Oh boy. I'm so scared I might break something. Okay. Whoa. Duh. I have to keep unpacking it from here. It's like connected. What now? Okay. So, found the instruction manual. Now can I pull it? Alright. From the recessed. No, wait. Hold on. We have another obstacle. We gotta put that away. Oh, I have to take it out. Alright. So no more hurdles. Let's take it out. Whew. I'm so tired. You saw me struggle, y'all. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's bring this bad boy up to the table now. Alright guys, so now we're on my desk and I have the old paper cutter here. I don't know where to put it, to be honest. Moving it over here for now until I get my life together. This is heavy duty for sure. This is no joke. This is no joke. I'm sad. Oh my gosh. In attempt to change the angle, I tried to reposition my tripod and it broke. Sad day. So the suction was just so strong that when I attempted to pull it off, it broke off. So that's one strong suction, which is great because I don't want my phone to crack or anything, but now I can't use it. That's okay. At least it was super cheap. Got it from Five Below for $5, so not too bad, but aw, sad. Anyways, back to regular programming. As you see, this is the old one and this is the new one. So in side-by-side comparison, you could tell that this is much smaller. This is huge. Look at the size difference, first of all. Oh my gosh. This can accommodate much bigger paper. Okay, I like that there's more rulers around here and paper guides, whereas this, you had to kind of know your measurements because you're only given inches and centimeters. And there's like angles and inches and centimeters and common paper sizes. So I like that. And another great feature, I think, is this. I assume this is how we go left and right. Ooh, ouch, my ears. I have not read the manual yet because I'm the kind of person that actually does not read the manual when I buy things. This does not have any at all. I would assume the ridge here is so you could put your finger and ensure that it stays straight or something. Or maybe it did come with one and my dad lost it. I don't know. But this is cool because you could adjust it and then tighten it so it stays. Oh, and it comes with a laser. You guys see that? Oh, that's so cool. So we're gonna, let me see if I can lift this up. Oh my gosh. Wait, there you go. How heavy duty is that? And then, so while it's up, let's say bring it down. Yay. That's so cool. All right. Now let's try with the laser. Ooh, that is so dope. And there's like a ruler thing. Don't know why. I don't know what this is for. So I drew a straight line just to test out how accurate the laser is and how I should adjust. Let's see with the laser if I cut before the line. like slightly before. It is very thin, so it's hard to tell. Now that my tripod broke, I'm gonna have to put you to the side and you'll see from there. All right. So I drew a straight line. Let's test out the laser. Oh boy, that was scary. My lighting fell right behind me. Okay, will my camera be in the way? Oops. Yeah, let's move this away. Don't want to chop off my camera. Okay. So let's test it out. So this is where, so the line will be like right before it. Let's cut. Let's clamp. It's clamped. Let's slice. I don't know why I felt the need to put that on. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So this is having it right before the laser, and I have to either tweak it a bit and get used to it. Let's draw another line. So we got the laser. We're getting the laser right now. So now I'm exactly on the line, because my mistake was putting it before. Pressing real hard on the clamp and going down. So this was directly on the laser. It's still quite off. I gotta figure out how to adjust. All right, so here's another line. So now I'm no longer on the line. Let's go after the line. I don't see much of the line on this end, but there's some of it on this side, so gotta keep adjusting. Okay, so a little bit on the paper. I'm trying to figure it out of where on the laser I should go. Slightly to the left. I'm realizing that's probably our best bet. I'm just trying to cut a little. Yeah, this is probably the closest cut. It's a bit off, but I'm also not completely straight with my line too. But yeah, this is the closest cut. Obviously, whenever you cut these things, though, you want to make sure you have enough bleed too. And yeah, that is so freaking cool. All right, so now I'm cutting, I think 4 sheets of paper. Oh, that's so nerve-wracking. I'm a little scared. Press and go. Oops. Didn't mean to hit you guys, my bad. Wow. Okay, so that's the bleed. I forgot to clamp. I felt the papers move a little bit. Last side. Oh my gosh, you guys. It cuts like butter. I freaking love it. It does take up a lot of space, but I'll take it. I'll take it because it's so handy. So yeah, you guys just saw the comparison of my paper cutters. I am totally excited. It's totally heavy duty. I realized I didn't even mention the name. It's called the Dahle 564. Am I saying it right? I don't know, but I got it from Binding 101. I am not sponsored, by the way, but I got it from the website because I feel like Amazon is just much more expensive when I compared the prices, whereas if you just get it straight from the seller, it is cheaper. I had free shipping and everything, so I thought that was really cool. If you are a crafter or a book trimmer or have a small business and need a heavy duty paper cutter, this seems like it could do the job. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome creative content and small business stuff. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.